Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to do some Leetcode question. So if you followed my channel for a while, I used to do some Code Wars challenge, but I don't do that anymore, but more focused on project. But I think some algorithm stuff is pretty important too. So I think we're going to do some of the Leetcode exercise. I will leave this link to the description down below so you can also check it out. Basically is I'm just gonna work on this single one because I haven't completely read the number yet. Read the description yet. It's pretty short. We might do another one in this video. If it's pretty difficult for me, then maybe as well as just record this one question in a video. Let's take a look. So a single number given a non-empty array of integers nums, every element appeared twice except for one. Find that one. Full up. Could you implement a linear lifetime? Blah blah blah. Whatever. Okay. So, of course, we will first work on finding a solution, like any solution. So, okay, so it will be a single number. It appeared twice, except for one. Okay. Well, here's my idea. So non-duplicate, that's basically not duplicated number. We're trying to do it like that. Basically, this is going to return non-duplicated element. Hope I spelled duplicate. I don't know if I spelled duplicate correctly. Okay, non-duplicate. And then basically now what I want to do is let's go and loop through this. Let's see, for I in non-duplicate. I think there's a thing called count. Let me check something really quick. Let's not count. Yeah. So nums.count num. It's not. Well, I think we don't have to do this. Here, let's do that. If it's not equals to it's not equals to 2, return none. I think this is pretty easy. Let's run the code, take a look. Alright, let's submit. Alright, accepted. Nice. So let's take a look here. I might as well post this here to memory usage. Wow, they're really fast. They're even faster. Well, I would say there's definitely faster ways to do it. Yeah, there's definitely faster ways to do it, but I say I might do another video just to figure out if there's a better way to do it. Alright, since we have more time, I want to make it a little bit 20 minutes. We'll see which one I'm struggling on, which I'm pretty much going to struggle on one. So let's continue to happy number. Let's see. A happy number is defined by a flow process. Start with any positive integer. Replace the number by the sum of the squares of its digit. Repeat the process until the number equals 1, where it will stay, or loops endlessly in a cycle which does not include 1. Those numbers for which this process ends in 1 are happy. Return true if it's a happy number, false otherwise. So if it's 19, then 1 and 9, 82. Oh. Oh, this one's pretty interesting. Alright, so I might want to say exist. Just want to have that. And then maybe what I want to do is this. While true, we'll say sternify n. And then we'll say let's see, calc square. And then what we'll do is we'll say exist dot append and okay. So basically then let's see, return true if n is happy number and false if not. Okay, so now okay. So say for I range the length of n. Then we want to say square val equals to bracket I plus equals to square val is 0 plus something like that should work, exponent, and then that will give us square val. Okay, now I want to okay, so it's more like a I won't try to iterate it, so I don't want to try recursion yet. Then we can say n equals to square val. Yeah. And in here, we can say if n equals to 1, return true. N exist, return false. Okay, to be honest, I don't even know half of the code I wrote, but we'll run it. So what we got. It's been a long time since I did any sort of coding challenge. Alright, let's see. Okay, stir int. Oh, shoot. My apology. Let's run the code. Alright. If this works, it's going to be heck a lot of slow. It will be really slow. I will make sure to note that. Oh, my runtime is actually better than majority. Somehow. I don't know. Alright, let's take a look. So let me explain the code a little bit. It's actually not as difficult as I thought. So basically, we have exist list, just track of what string we have already processed. Square val by default will be 0, and then yeah, square val by default will be 0 at each iteration. And then, excuse me for my phone noise. Let me silence. And then basically, if n exists, so we check if the current string is indeed in the exist list, and we know we encountered a loop, which we can return false. If it's not, then we're just going to append it. And then we're going to find the new square val, set it to n. If n equals 1, we're going to return true. Okay, let's do another one. What's this? Alright, let's see. Alright, given an integer array nums, find the contiguous subarray contains at least one number which has largest sum and returns sum. Ooh. Okay. Now we can obviously brute force it, but see, this is where I'm stuck at. I have no clue how should I do this. We can brute force. Let me see if I can think about a solution as we can take. All right. That's the largest sum equals 6. Okay, so all right, let's implement the brute force approach. So basically just looping through everything, compare them. We'll see. So let's see. So I'm in time with the loop right. I want to do absolute brute force approach. Well, clearly we'll run a lot of time, so. All right. So gonna calculate how many times the loop will run. It's basically going to be oh my god, calculate how many times the loop will run. It's already struggling enough for me. It's basically going to be so we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So basically start at 8. Right. Let me take a look how it's gonna be an absolute nightmare for me now. What was a nightmare I will hope never is a dream that's a program. That's such a nightmare to me. Yeah, I think that's right. Yeah. I want to find some of that. Let's see if I can do. Yeah, okay. Okay, some of that. All right. So some. All right. We'll figure it out if it doesn't support list comprehension. Okay, so now basically not sum but times. Now what we would do is we would say results -2. Okay. So it will start as start at 0, then 0, 1, then 0 and 2. Oh my god. Okay. So we're going to say results.append nums bracket 0 bracket I. So what's the best way to do it? So I have no clue. Okay, say plus the next number. Goodness. Ooh, okay, I think I might just try 5 more minutes or something. Since I don't want to make this video too long. I don't want to make myself so embarrassed. Okay. Now, nums bracket I, that's going to get the current number. Right. And then what we want to do, so we want to say plus, right? And then plus what? How should we know what to plus? Well, we know it's -2. If it's first time, don't want that. Then I want that. Then I want that. Then I want that. So it's kind of, this is not how we supposed to write the loop, I feel like. That's how we're supposed to write the loop. And then we have a nested loop. Look at that. Alright, so now for J. Now, ooh, okay, I have an idea. Let me see. So if I is 0, then J is going to loop through everything. J is going to be I comma rings of nums. In that case, I can just say sum of A, B, C, D, F, G, H, H4, H. Okay, so there's 0. Okay, so I going to be 0, J going to be 0, right? And then I going to, and then next. Okay, so if J is not 0, then basically what I want to do is I want to do results.append sum of bracket J, nums bracket J. Okay, wait. If J is not 0, right? So then we want to say H for range of going to start with I, ends with J plus 1. Okay. except it's going to be nums bracket h. Here, okay. So let me try something. Let's see. So okay, so then what's supposed to happen is going to append everything before. Right, but I'm thinking about edge case where j plus 1 will no longer be true. Oh god, it's going to be so annoying. Try. There's only going to be a key error happening. Just accept key error. And then we're just going to say j. Okay, but else, if it is 0, then we're just going to say results that append bracket h. Of course, I don't expect to work. Now let's go sort it. How does Python sort a list? Sort it? Yeah, I think sort is a function. Okay, let's say return sorted nums. Results. I'm gonna get the last number. Just bracket colon bracket equal 1. Get the last number. Now, I think it will either occur with a runtime error. It's just not defined. What do you mean it's just not defined? What? Result of append. Wait. Oh. Sorry, it's just bracket j. Just bracket 0. Okay, it does work, but it takes a long time. If it works, I think it will occur runtime. Runtime too long or something. This is absolute brute force. Yep, time limit succeeded. Let's take a look. Yes, so you can see the brute force doesn't work. I mean, I think the brute force works. I think the brute force definitely works. It's just the time limit exceeded. Yes, this is absolute brute force. So what I will do is I will do some research about algorithm or somehow to make it faster. Somehow to make it faster. Because how it works is that you can see it's like just 3 less test case. Who knows? Maybe if I run it again, we'll pass. I highly doubt it, but I mean, it will really be interesting to see how we'll be able to simplify, reduce the timeline, because there's definitely a smarter algorithm to use. Yeah, but yep. Sorry for ending with this with a time limit exceeded. I think we get a good amount of stuff done. So yeah, I think we'll continue with it whenever I post the next video. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. As always, stay safe and have a nice day. DevWithMe, out.